Good morning. I am Novami Padalala and I will be your English teacher for today. So before we start our discussion or topic for today, let's have a prayer first. So who will volunteer? Okay, Rizal Jane. So you may now go to front and lead the prayer. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, Amen. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins as we forgive those sins against us, and bring us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, Amen. So now, before you sit, kindly pick up the pieces of paper under your chair and arrange your seats. Okay, very good. Now, kindly take your seat. Now, I'll be checking your attendance. You may now say present if your name is Gold, okay? I have here 4 pictures. So, here, the 4 pictures. So, in the picture shown, what have you been observed? In picture A, what have you observed? In picture B, in picture C, in picture D. Okay. Did you know that there are group of words and phrases which we call sentence and non-sentence? Have you heard the word sentence? Or how about a non-sentence? So, what is the sentence all about? Sentence is a group of words that express complete thought. So, it is composed of a subject and a predicate. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a period, question mark, exclamation point. Very good. So, here are the examples of a sentence. So, number 1, Elsa goes to school. So, who goes to school? It was Elsa. So, what Elsa did? Goes to school. So, the subject is Elsa and goes to school is the predicate. Very good. So, example number 2. The sun rises in the east. So, the subject is the sun. Rises in the east is the predicate. Very good. Now, let's go to non-sentence. So, non-sentence is a group of words that do not have a complete thought. It may just be the subject or the predicate. It has no punctuation marks. Like, for example, number 1, playing the piano. So, playing the piano is a predicate. So, there is no subject. So, that is why it is called non-sentence. Now, let's proceed to number 2. Jason and May. So, Jason and May is a subject. So, that is why it is called non-sentence. Very good. Let's go back to the 4 picture I have shown to you. So here. So, which group of words that expresses a sentence? Picture A and D. Because picture A and picture D is showing a complete thought. It also starts with a big letter and ends with a period. The family prays together and they study their lessons. So they are called sentence. Very good. So now, which group of words expresses a non-sentence? Okay, picture B and picture C, because it does not have a complete thought. Very good. So, Anne and Joy and a talented girl is a called non-sentence because it has no punctuation mark. Ethan and Joy is only a subject and a talented girl is also a subject only. Very good. Now, can you give me some examples of a sentence and a non-sentence? Okay, you may raise your hand. So now we'll be having an activity. So I'll be grouping you into 3. So in group 1, you will be the Alpha Kukak team. In group 2, you will be the Tiger Gamma team. In group 3, you will be the Paru Paru G team. So what will you do in this activity? So you group 1, you will describe your team in a sentence and write it in a heart. Yes, in a heart. Now, your group 2, in the group 2, you will be, or you will describe me as your teacher in a non-sentence form. You will write it on a triangle. Yes. So in group 3, so your task is to describe your classmates. It's either in a sentence form or in a non-sentence form. You have to write it in a circle. Yes. Now, we are done to our group activity. So now, let's develop your mastery. Let's have another activity, individual activity. So now, get your papers and pencil and match the pictures in column A with the non-sentence in column B. Write the letters of your answers in your paper. So, number 1 picture is showing vase, right? Vase. So find vase. Picture 2, a flower. Flower. Number 3, leaf. Leaf. Number 4, a dress. Dress. Number 5, eyes. In the activity 2, you will be going to put a heart before each sentence and circle before each non-sentence. So number 1, Mimi and Anna. Mimi and Anna. 2, they really love to drink milk. Number 3, every morning. Number 4, Anna studying in her room. Number 5, Mimi playing with her toys. What is sentence and non-sentence and its example? So now let's sum up everything. So what is sentence? What is non-sentence? Okay, very good. So always remember that a sentence is a complete thought, while the non-sentence does not have a complete thought. Very good. So I have here a story. So now we will read the story about the Riku's farm. So what will you do? Take a look at the underlined group of words and recognize the sentence and non-sentence. Color the underlined group of words with yellow if it is a sentence, and color the underlined group of words with green if it is non-sentence. So number 1, Maurico is in the farm. So all the group of words are underlined, right? So what it is? Number 2, he saw many vegetables. So many vegetables are the underlined words. So what is it? Number 3, a big mango, green guavas, and a fat duck. So only green guavas are underlined words. So what it is? So number 4, all the vegetables. So all are underlined the group of words. So what is it? Number 5, he sold them in the market. So what is it? All are underlined group of words. So now you already understand what is sentence and what is non-sentence. So now you will be having an assignment. So what will you do in your assignment? So you have to describe your parents in one sentence or in non-sentence form. You have to write it on your paper and present it to our next meeting. Alright, do you understand me, class? Okay, so now let's go home and see you tomorrow. Goodbye.